Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings app and after that scroll down to the convenience tool. Then click here to the screen recording and you will see here the sound section. So now we have activated the system sounds and the microphone sound. By this way, in our screen recording we'll use all system sounds, so just some medias, the notifications from any apps, and all of the system sounds of our device, and also we can command something with the microphone. Also, you can use these two features just separately, so you can use only microphone or also system sounds, or if you want just to record the mute video, you can turn off to these options, and by this way you'll record only just mute video. So that's how it looks. Also, I have the second way how we can open the sound settings, the screen recorder sound settings, just by open the screen or just notification panel, and here we should find the screen recording icon. Just to activate the settings, hold for a while this icon, and now we can see here that the sound settings just they're here, so we can use them by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.